welcome to this channel. So what we're gonna do today is let's see how Nifty 50 fared last week. Okay, so the range, the Friday range, right? It was very good actually. So let me bring up the chart for 1 week. Okay, so if you have seen this 1 week chart, right? Last 5 weeks have been downtrend, and this range, right? It is trying to break, and it could not do it. Okay, so let me go to 1 day chart. So let me show you how bullish the Nifty is. You see this range, right? From the last 5 days. These 5 days are the candles. So the except for the second day, all these days, right? The range has been within this range. Okay. What I mean by that is this is kind of a candlestick pattern wherein uh, the previous day candle is there, right? It is much more bigger than that, and it has actually engulfed 1 2 3 4 5 5 days of range. So what it means is what the Nifty trying to say is Nifty is kind of a bullish now, and if this continues, right, it is gonna break this trend, which is not able to try to break. Okay, so this is how Nifty traded last week, and I'm quite bullish on Nifty this week, and everything says so. So this range has broken. Okay, as I said earlier, Nifty is looking good for long. Okay, so that is something that I wanted to tell here. So other thing is I wanted to talk about two stocks that has given a breakout, and it could give you more moves if the trend sets in. Okay, so the first stock would be NMDC. So it's a government stock, and you see the 1 day chart, right? Here it has beautifully given a breakout. So how I say it's a breakout here is the range, right? It has trying to break, as broken out here. So this is actually a triangle pattern wherein this top has been continuously reducing, and same the bottom has also been nearing to the top. So this is where I say it is a breakout happens, and you see the candle, right? It is a pure bullish candle with the larger volume, which in turn says that the momentum is gonna continue. Okay, so let's see how it opens on Monday. Okay, so if you see this place, right, this is kind of resistance for this move, but I'm confident on this move because of this candle. You know the length of the candle. So what could happen on Monday is what decides the stock's future. Okay, so now if it trades around this range, right, it's gonna form another cup and handle pattern, and then it's gonna move up from here, maybe another 4 or 5 days after that, or else it could continue that momentum because of the larger volume, right? It could just make some 10 or 15 points. Okay, if all the momentum is stays with the stock. Okay, so for now, my pick for this week would be NMDC. Please keep watch on this because as I see the fundamental of this stock, right, it is also quite good. So buying this, we would not miss out anything. But this is not a trade recommendation because whoever buys this stock, right, has to do their own research and then go and buy this stock. Okay, so as I say, right, this is a good market capital, and if you see the current price is 130, the book value is quite good, and stock PE ratio is 7.72. That is also quite good, and return on equity is 23%. That is very good. Dividend yields is what I would be interested in, 5.6%. Say for example, if the stock stays in this range and does not give you any more, right, still you ended up getting this 5 percentage 5% returns. Okay, now let me go and show you the peers. These are the peers, and the next good comparison would be Coal India. It is 5.36. It is also a range, trading in good range with a price to earning ratio, because if you see, right, the yield, dividend yield of Coal India is much higher than NMDC. In fact, it is double than that. I would say, like buying the stock, we would not lose much. There are only positives in this stock, and you see the quarterly results. It's all been good. and profit and loss, everything has been good. You can just go and do your own analysis before you buy and before you buy this stock. I feel this is good stock to ride the momentum as far as I concern, and this is a good bet, I would say. Keeping 100 this range as a stop loss, and we can go long on it. Okay, NMDC is something I'm looking to go long on Monday or Tuesday. Okay, the next stock would be Tata Steel. Okay, so if you see this right, this has been a very good momentum build up happened on last week. Okay, if you see the volume right, you see right, one, two, three, four, five, it kept on rising. Okay, I like the stocks that gives you the the momentum with volume, because that are those stocks that will go up eventually. Okay, so now you see right, 125 is the decisive range it needs to break. Okay, so that it can continue and build the momentum. As I can see right, it had broken the that this 125 range decisively, and it is trying to move up. Okay, so I'm hoping it could reach this 135 range in very short time. Say if it crosses this 135 to 139 range right on Monday, probably this is a potential 150 stock. Not eventually on the next week, maybe another 2 months before Diwali, it could hit that 150 mark if all goes well with the momentum. And please note, this is not a trade recommendation. This is purely technical analysis based on the volume and the type of candle I see. Here, you could see little selling at the higher level. We shouldn't mind, because every time a stock goes up, right, it will fall down. But given the momentum I see in the volume, right, it gonna retrace. It will retrace, and then further it will move up. Okay, so these are the stocks that I would like to trade this week. Okay, other than that, I see Nifty, NMDC, Tata Steel, all are looking good for long, in my opinion.